helicopter alone, running out of fuel.
What's your point?
We had to jump out with one parachute. Yeah, we barely made it. We had to swim 2 miles.
Until we were rescued by a tuna boat.
Did you bring me some tuna?
Come here. Come here.
Mom, Walter, you're home. How nice. Hi, baby.
Hey, Megan. So, how was the water park?
You know, fun, wet. I had a churro. I'll get it. I called up. Oh.
You blasted me out of my own helicopter.
Shh. Not in front of our parents.
Who is it?
Some crazy guy.
I'll handle this. How can I help you?
Are you their father?
Yes. What's this?
A bill? That's how much you owe me for my new helicopter.
What? $400,000?
Boys, you're both grounded.
But Dad...
Grounded 2 weeks.
But it wasn't our fault.
Upstairs.
Yes, sir.
Night,